This is Bob Stephen. We're going to go over Modic today. Hopefully you have got it set up or installed. And I'm showing you the dashboard. There's a lot of really nice, useful things on the dashboard. One of the things that I key into is the number of page hits over here on the far right, of total visits and unique visits. But some other really nice information is dwell time, how long people have dwelled on your site. Geography, contact map is very, very interesting. I actually stopped doing email about a month ago, not necessarily because I don't want to, but because I have some technical issues that I'm working through. I will start that back up in the near future. One of the things you want to really do here, and what I'm going to focus on, is contacts. We're going to talk about contacts, and once you set Modic up, you can track anybody who hits your website. And right now you can see that in the anonymous, I've gotten a hit from New York today at 12:16, from Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, Elmhurst, New York, and Germantown, Tennessee. These are the anonymous ones. In other words, IP addresses only and location, but they haven't identified the individual. Modic will identify the individual if you have them in the list. And so, for example, obviously when I hit the website, I'm being contacted and collected. The information hits that I hit, and also any other individuals that seem to be hitting my website that I have identified, that Modic has identified, are shown up here. But back to the anonymous, where we're really trying to go with this is I'm going to show you a anonymous hit from Raleigh, North Carolina, and when you take a look at this, you will see that from June 27th until October 27th, we've had 20 hits on 5 different days on these different web pages. And now I'm going to show you how to get this information, which includes things like dwell time, like how long did they stay on a site. Now this one says unknown, but this person stayed on this web page for 8 seconds. And let me show you how to do that. So in the upper right hand corner, you're going to have what's called the settings, and I'm going to go into what's called configuration. And it'll go into the back end of your configuration of Modic. And if I go down to tracking settings, you're going to see this script right here. And if you grab this script and you copy it into your website web page, this right here, this is the exact same script, it will track the hit of any individual that comes to that page. The other recommendation I make is that every page have a unique title. So for example, RSC and social media lesson 2 is the one I'm working on today that has a unique title. My index for my website, my very first index page, has this one. So when we were looking at Modic and at that contact that was from Raleigh, you'll see that they hit my index page by the name, right? Archibus, the IWMS system of choice, and I know that was the page. Notice that they have other pages that they hit, and the way I identify them is by having a unique title. So we're going to have a lesson on that later on today. Thanks.